And I was wondering, do you think Catboy should be scared of the water, especially not that deep of water? Please write down what you think in the comment section. Also, if you would like more PJ Masks videos in real life, please remember to click like and subscribe. Goodbye and have a great day. Can you say meow?
Meow.
Meow.
Here. Is that a cat going? You want to go swimming? No. Why? Because. This is my new house. Is it nice? Gekko will come and see how nice it is. Catboy got a new house and he said it's tornado proof. I wonder how nice it is. It should be really nice. He said it's really expensive. Hey Gekko, come here. Here's my new house. Ta-da! What? That doesn't look like a really nice house. What is this place? A dump? It's not a dump. See, it has a kitchen. Yeah, broken up old kitchen that's supposed to be in the dump a couple of years ago. This is really nice wooden home. And look, there's holes right here. Oh, it will make the house nice and breezy. I don't think that's a good thing. What? Yeah, like it. That's a hinge that's broken off. I can put my Catboy outfits here. If you put your Catboy clothes right there, it'll be filthy. And wait, you don't even have a front door here. It looks like there never was a front door here. It was like the house I ever had. It is storm-proof. It is. It looks like it's about to tip over any second now. Hollow. Seems like there's termites in here. Look at this bird poo. It looks like it's a house only for birds. If I climb on this roof, it would collapse. A story, I promise. Oh no, it's raining. I'm glad we have this house. Ah, it's leaking. Do I have to fix it? Yeah. Oh boy. Hopefully I don't fall through and make it worse. Is it done? Yeah. Good. Catboy, how much did you pay for this stuff? 100. 100 bucks? You gotta be kidding me. That's way too much. No, 100,000. 100,000? How did you get that much money? I found it at Romeo's house here. Catboy, I'm getting out of here before it collapses. Next time you get $100,000 from Romeo, let me figure out how to spend it. Okay. Now let's play a card. Where's Catboy? So cool cat spin wild. What happened to its ear? Oh no, it's a robot. It's kidding. My tail falls off 100 times. Catboy, I need your help. Romeo made shark robots and we have to swim out to the ocean to stop them. Are you ready to swim out there? I'm scared of the water. And I'm most scared of sharks. Sharks can eat Catboy. Come on, Catboy, you're part of the PJ Masks team. Be brave. don't know about this. Well, I need to get Owlette. I'll be back in 5 minutes. I don't want to swim in water. Cats are scared of water. How can I get out of this? I have an idea. I broke my arm. If I break my arm, I can't swim. Can't I get a fake cast on? This is great. I don't have to swim in water. You can swim with a broken arm. I can't move my arm because it's broken. You don't believe me? I'll sign my name like a real cast. It says, "See Catboy." Hey Catboy, I got Owlette. We're ready. Sorry guys, I can't go. I broke my arm. Whoa, you really broke it? I guess Owlette and I would have to save the day. You can't swim with a cast or a broken arm. Bye. Haha, that worked. Now I don't have to swim at all. Now I can play out on my own. Whoa, whoa. Oh, I broke my wings. Now I broke my cast off. Do you know my broken arm is real? Wait, that's carrot. Also, like and subscribe. And I'm more scared of sharks. I'm more scared of ghosts. Today, Catboys, we're going to make pizza with Gekko. Are you guys happy? I'm happy over pizza. We'll make the pizza dough here and then put cheese on top. Then we put pizza in the oven. Right in here. It's cold here now, but it's going to be hot later. I can hardly wait for my pizza. Where is Gekko? Oh, I get it sleepy. Catboy, I'm here, and I have all the ingredients to make pizza. Yay! Finally! First, we need to wash our hands before we make the pizza dough. Okay? First, we need to roll the dough and preheat the oven. You always have to preheat the oven. We're cooking it at 400 Fahrenheit. I'm making the crust. That looks good. Then we need tomato sauce, right? Yep. Then we need vegetables, lettuce, onions, and mushrooms. The pizza is ready to go in the oven. My Catboy toys will really like the pizza. What Catboy toys? Where are they? I don't remember. Oh well, we'll find them later. Let's put the pizza in the oven. Were you cooking something else? What's that blue melted gooey plastic? Oh no, there's all my Catboy toys! Oh no! Did you put the Catboy toys in the oven before I got here? Yeah, we're showing off the pizza would go. Oh no, and I preheated the oven and melted them. Oh no, my cat toys. Oh, don't worry. After the pizza's done, we'll go to the store and buy new Catboy toys that are better. Well, let's buy all the Catboy toys Okay, we'll dump this out. And put these in. After the pizza's done cooking, you'll feel better. I hope so. Did you sneak a piece? I think so. Ding ding, it's ready. This makes me feel better. It is really tasty. Yeah, don't eat the spatula. Just kidding. Okay, now I'll get you some new toys. Look at all these new toys I got. All these Catboy toys are in heaven. You're the cutest Catboy in the world. Like and subscribe and watch more videos. Let's put the pizza in the oven. The pizza's ready to put in the oven. Needs sugar.